I chose machine tool technology because after high school, I plan to go into a career that has a lot to do with measuring. There's a lot of different ways to measure. There's micrometers, there's calipers, there's so many different things more than just a ruler and a tape measure. In machine tool technology, the skills that you learn are grinding stuff down to a point, grinding drill bits and sharpening bits, making tapers on stuff, measuring skills. There's also finding angles. I get to manufacture small parts. There's also a lot of big parts that I'll get to manufacture also. There's a lot of engineering that goes behind it too. There's a lot of internship opportunities too. So many things that people use in their everyday lives are made by machinists. Jumpstart your future with machine tool technology.